Self-discipline plays an important role in our lives. We can't deny this statement. We can benefit from it indeed. Everyone can reach it, but the most of people cannot achieve a long-term self-discipline because of the limited factors. We know that the nature of self-discipline is self-control, but it's limited. If you invest more time and energy in doing one thing, there will be less self-control on another thing. Not only that, if your return is less than the efforts you make, it will also be reduced. Then, the habit will make an important contribution to this aspect. Once a large number of good habits are established, these are natural behavior. You won't spend more energy and time in thinking it, but do it directly. This will reduce the loss of energy. Then you will be provided with more energy and time to do what you want to do, and make you add to efficiency about doing things. Your self-discipline will be productive. But forming good habits requires regular training before it's properly established. While this depends on self-discipline. So, self-discipline can help you develop the good habits, but everyone has difficulty in doing it because of the limited things. While the good habits tend to have an important influence on self-discipline. It's noting that it's not easy to change. That means, although they are equally important and also complementary, in the long run, the good habits are more important.